Then when I wanted to buy my first house, how did I buy a house? I had friends who lived in Valley Stream, a place called Green Acres. And on Chanukah, we drove through the streets to see if, where I wanted to buy my house, if the candles were in the windows. And Green Acres was all Jewish. Every house had a candle. I said to my wife and I, this is where we got to bring our children. This is where we got to live. And we bought a house at Green Acres. I lived there for 25 years or so at Green Acres. And then I moved to a bigger house in Green Acres. I was supposed to go to North Woodmere. I didn't want to go. All Yiddish, all right, walking distance to the shul, or a bus service for the first shul right in Valley Stream. My kids always went to Hebrew school, Cheder, you know, and they learned, they all read Hebrew and they know it, and their children do too.